Today, I am so excited to learn our new lesson, Bob. But before we start, can you tell me something?
Sure, Jesse. What do you want to know?
I always wonder how you became so fluent in English. You told me once that you came from a small village where people never spoke English. Still, you speak so confidently now. I want to know your full story. Please, tell me step by step.
You're right. I grew up in a small village. People spoke only our local language. Even the teachers didn't speak English. We learned only grammar from books, but we never practiced speaking.
Same here. That's why I'm struggling now. But you speak like a city boy. How did you do it?
Thank you. But it wasn't easy. At first, I was nervous and shy. When I tried to speak, people laughed. Some even said, "Why are you wasting your time? You will never speak English."
Really, Bob? People said that?
Yes, but I didn't give up. I thought, if others can do it, I can do it too. I just needed the right method.
What was that method? Did you join coaching classes?
No, I didn't join any classes. That's the interesting part. I learned mostly by myself at home, with my phone.
With your phone? That sounds interesting. Tell me more.
Yes, but I was very strict with myself. First, I stopped wasting time on social media. I deleted Instagram, avoided Facebook, and used WhatsApp only for important messages.
That's surprising. Most people spend hours scrolling Instagram and YouTube Shorts. How did you control yourself?
I made a rule. My phone is not for wasting time. My phone is for learning. Slowly, it became a habit.
That must have helped you focus.
Exactly. I used my phone only for two things, Google and YouTube.
Only Google and YouTube?
On Google, I searched for new words. I checked meaning, examples, and repeated sentences aloud.
Oh, so you didn't just memorize the word, you actually used it.
Yes, very important. If I learned the word journey, I made sentences like, my journey to school is long. Learning English is my journey.
That's smart. What about YouTube?
I watched animated English videos. They use simple words and clear pronunciation. And I always used
Why
subtitles
animated videos?
because they're simple. If I started with movies, I wouldn't understand anything. Animated videos are perfect for
Did you
learners.
watch them daily?
Yes, 3 to 4 videos a day. And I watched each video 3 to 4 times. First with subtitles, then without. And sometimes pausing to repeat.
Didn't you get bored?
Exactly. My ears got used to English sounds, and my mouth got used to English sentences.
You're right. Motivation is important. I feel motivated when I see your progress.
Sometimes I got bored, but I reminded myself of my goals. That motivation kept me going.
Yes, I practice sentences like I went to school, she ate an apple, they were playing.
Thank you. You are already doing well. You learned the past tense and its types.
So I should not only study grammar, but also practice listening and speaking.
Perfect. Grammar gives us the base. But along with grammar, you must listen and speak every day.
Nice example, Bob.
Exactly. Grammar is the skeleton, speaking is the flesh. You need both.
You said you learned with your phone. Did you follow a daily routine?
Yes, I followed a simple routine. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night revision.